Hello! Today we are going to be taking a look at this absolutely amazing device that I've got over here. It is 24 volts DC electric sandwich maker that is designed to crisp your bread on sandwich and melt cheese inside. And that amazing device allows you to do that in field from your 24 volt battery. But it was mainly intended for like a truckers or people who are living in RV, but for me that's going to be a device for field applications and also for my DC solar system. So let's start from taking a look how to power this device, and we've got this absolutely beautiful, well manufactured plug. This is a extremely high quality. If we take a look at the power requirement of that device, the fuse is only rated 5 amp, which at 24 volts, making this device slightly over 100 watts. And the cable is on the short side, just to be fair. On top you will find two LED indicators. The first one is going to be telling you that we've got a power, and second that our temp is reached. When we've got a beautiful green, then we know that we can put a sandwich. As you can see, it is a really small unit, and that's because it is just for a one toast. So let's take a look. And here on bottom you will find all the informations. And we've got 24 volt, 120 watts. We've got Netherlands, which is quite interesting. I seen exactly the same device manufactured and sold under brand All Right, so I'm pretty sure it is exactly the same thing. Maybe it is licensed. And when we open it, just like on a regular toaster, this is what you've got. You've got your beautiful spot for one sandwich, and we've got those dividers that are designed to give you a really nice, like a grill mark, and yeah, give it a toast shape. As you can see, we've got some scratch marks, and that's because this device was already used. I will begin with adding a little bit oil on the inside to prevent the cheese sticking so much. So I will just grab a regular oil, like an olive oil, and add it just like that. Then we are going to be powering it on and waiting for our green mark, and that's going to be, in my personal opinion, the best moment to put all the ingredients. I do not have any power bank that's got 24 volt output, and of course we are going to be changing that plug and making it compatible with my military battery, but for sake of video we are going to be simulating it using my lab power supply. So I will connect just like this using those crocodile clips, and on the power supply I will set 27.6 volt because that's going to be 13.8 volt times 2 and our device power up, and I hit start on the stopwatch, and we are waiting for our green LED indicator, and we are going to see how long we need to wait. When we take a look at the power supply, we can see that we've got 5.3 amps flowing, so we are in the upper range of our fuse, and we are pulling 146 watts, which is close to what is stated on our label. So let's give it a moment and wait for the green mark. As you can see, a little bit over 6 minutes, we've got our green indicator and the current stop flowing, so our heating element reached the proper temp, and yes, it is extremely hot, so that sticker is telling truth. So we can open our device and prepare it. I'm back with ingredients. First we are going to be putting slice of bread. Then we are going to be grabbing a slice of American cheese, and I like to put it on center that way so it is not over spilling. Then we definitely need slice of ham, just like that. You tell me if it's looking beautiful. And we've got another slice that I will put the same way. And we are going to be closing it down with this piece of bread. So you tell me how it's presenting. I believe this is the moment to close it down. So we go just like this. We are helping ourselves and we are engaging log and starting timer. So now we are going to be seeing how long it's take until it's going to be done. Definitely do not use the green indicator to judge whether it's done or not. And that's because the only thing that it's telling that the temp was reached. So I'm pretty sure the temp can reach, but it still cannot be done. So we need to open it and peek inside. I believe we are going to be starting from like a 5 minutes and then seeing what is cooking. As you can see, 5 minutes pass and we can take a look. I can see that we've got a steam and this is how it's presenting after 5 minutes. I deeply believe we can do better. We still got a spill, but yeah, maybe it's going to be good. Let's give it another 5 minutes and I believe that's going to be our perfect style. It's turned green, but we are going to be waiting for the 10-minute mark. Or maybe we open it. Yeah, looks really nice. Yes, getting crisp. Let's wait for that 10 minutes. See it turn off the heating element, but it do not mean or imply that we are ready to eat. Okay, we pass our 10-minute mark that we agree. And let's see what we've got. And in my personal opinion, this looking absolutely amazing. The cheese is melted. Let's do a sound test. Yes, it is crisp. So the best is to use something that will not scratch the surface. And you have to tell me how it's presenting. In my personal opinion, this is absolutely beautiful toast. So let's try to take a look how it's presenting. Is the cheese melted inside? And yes, of course, it is melted and it is extremely hot. But yes, this is exactly what you want. And what you can do from your solar installation or like a RV. Absolutely beautiful. As tiny science experiments, I put second sandwich inside and I'm waiting for cool down of those pieces and I can feel that the smaller one is almost ready. So let's grab a bite. And yes, it is absolutely a beautiful, perfect toast. Let's grab a shroom. Absolutely amazing. So we can almost do the second one while we are waiting for the first one to go. So that's why I make the second counting, so you can see how long you have to wait for like a second one, because most likely you want more than one, and that one I would like a little bit more. But as you can clearly see, it is absolutely beautiful and it's working great. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.